Please.
I have some choice words for Central Georgia's weather for sure. Yeah, it is going to be quite humid the next few days.
Write an open journal. Dear 13 WMAZ
Yes.
weather team, Ben Jones, Courtney Takabazi, Alex Taylor.
It's been 300 days since we've had low humidity.
It's been the worst of times. It's been the worst of times.
You know, fall is quickly approaching though, thankfully.
That's true.
So we will gladly welcome fall with open arms when it's time for it to come. But today it is not going to feel fall-like. It will be nothing short of summer-like as summer break comes to an end for all of you in Lawrence County. Happy first day. You are the last group of students as we round out our back-to-school coverage here. Muggy morning for those of you heading out to the bus stop today. By recess hour, it's going to be very hot. Temperatures will be near 90, but feeling more like the upper 90s in triple digits. And then for that ride home, you could have a few storms out there. So a couple of things that you need to pack with you as you get ready to head out for your first day, and for some of you just simply school. This is the second week for a lot of you, and getting ready to head out the door for work. All those things, you are going to want to pack water, and just in case, you'll want to have the umbrella or the raincoat just in case you do run into a few of those afternoon storms that we love to see every summer afternoon, and we are going to stay in a very summer-like pattern. 72 right now in the city of Dublin, speaking of Lawrence County. That dew point nice and high, making it feel quite uncomfortable out there. Last week we were really lucky to have at least a little bit of a break from that humidity, but not anymore, everyone. It is here to stay this week. 74 in Macon and in Warner Robins and in Cochrane, 75 down in Cordele, 73 in Forsyth, 71 in Gordon and in Sandersville. So all that humidity is thanks to high pressure down to our south, pulling in a southerly wind, and that's going to pull in all that Gulf moisture, which will leave us quite unsettled over the next few days. Today, I have us at about a 40% coverage of rain and storms. That will primarily be for the afternoon hours, so through lunchtime we should stay dry. But notice for the ride home, maybe a few showers trying to pop up. The high res, which is what you're looking at right now, I think is being a little nice to us. I think we'll be a little more unsettled than this. And any storms that do manage to form throughout the afternoon and evening today could carry some heavier rain, also some gusty wind and frequent lightning. So if any storms roll through and you're doing anything outdoors, just be sure you head inside until the storms pass. Now tomorrow morning, maybe a few showers, and tomorrow does look to be a little more unsettled than today. But notice as we head towards the end of the week and into the weekend, we'll generally look at about a 40% coverage of rain and a little bit drier on Sunday. And we will stay temperature-wise in the low to mid 90s. Very summer-like. And it looks like as we head towards the end of the week, we are going to be keeping a very close eye on the tropics. Potential tropical cyclone 6 moving over the Lesser Antilles, 90% chance of development over the next 2 to 5 days. So it's more than likely we will have Tropical Storm Fred as we head into the next couple of days, potentially by the end of the day today. It is a very high-end tropical cyclone, needs maximum sustained winds of 39 miles per hour to be considered a tropical storm, but it also needs to be organized, and it's lacking that organization right now. But it will, at least it's forecast, to get its act together as it makes its way past parts of the Dominican Republic and Haiti, and then also Cuba. Land interaction is going to be key, but notice by sometime Saturday morning it could be paralleling the southwest Florida coast. So nothing to worry about right now, but something we're going to be keeping a very close eye on. Summer-like with highs in the low to mid 90s all the way through Sunday, and then all eyes will be on the tropics as we head into the start of next week.